Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 468, problem 3. This is not multiple choice. You actually have to think this one through a little bit. Okay, but you're not looking for everything. You're looking for B. Okay, so in the book it shows the ABC thing. I just wrote quadratic there. And this is what they gave you. So you could try to figure out what it is you're not going to deal with, and then don't deal with it. But that's probably not a good plan. That would take longer than just dealing with this thing, and then getting to a point where you realize, I know what B is, now I'm going to stop. You're just going to stop when you're at B? Yeah, that's all you're looking for. You're just looking for B. Okay? So this does not look like a quadratic, but it is. The book tells you that it is. How do you get it to look like a quadratic? Well, you need to resolve this with this, resolve this with this, and then you need to combine them. What's it going to be? It's going to be 12x squared, which you're probably not interested in because this is squared, but I'm going to put it there. We already did it. Oh, no, we shouldn't have done it. No. Follow the correct procedure until you know that you're done, and then stop. Okay? It's not a matter of trying to figure out what you can skip. Okay? The 3x and the 7, that was plus 21x. This one is going to be a minus 5. Okay? That's going to be minus 10x. And this is minus 5 there, minus 15. And hopefully that's correct. I'm not that worried about it as long as I get my B. What's going to be my B? My B is not going to involve this x squared, which relates to the a. I don't need to worry about it at all. It's not going to relate to my x to the 0, which is what we call a 1 most of the time. This 21x and this minus 10x form an 11x. Okay? In your a squared, okay, ax squared plus bx plus c expression, this 11 is going to be your b. That should be your answer. Okay? I'm not interested in what else you did, okay, unless you did it after you got to that 11. If you got to it after you got that 11, then you were wasting your time. If you did it before you got to that 11, well, that's just procedure, okay? If you're not seeing the point that I've tried to make with this video, watch the video again. If you still don't see my point, tell me in the comment section, and I'll explain it further. But again, the point is, do follow the correct procedure that you learned in algebra class until you see the answer, and then you are done. Don't do the rest of it if it does not produce any useful information. 11, and you're done.